So you know that popular look that you're seeing right now with the window trends? All the windows are black. Do you want to know how you can get black windows with your old aluminum or vinyl windows? I'm going to show you how. So the first step is going to be to thoroughly degrease the window. My preferred product is this liquid sandpaper, and I'll go ahead and post the links for all of these products below. And this is going to be something that is going to take all the grease off your window. Now, if you don't want to spend that much money and you have a small budget for this project, then you can head over to your local 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, and pick up this product. It's Awesome Orange, and I think it's an all-purpose degreaser. So put that into a spray bottle and you can actually spray that on your window and use it to degrease your windows. Now, my only recommendation with that product is go ahead and wear a mask because it is very chemical smelling. So let's go ahead and get this process started. So here I just have a rag. I'm going to pour a little bit of this degreaser on the rag, and we will just start wiping. So once you thoroughly clean the windows, there are a couple ways that you can paint them. One, you can use some spray paint. This is Rust-Oleum Flat Black. It's my favorite thing to use. The reason I use this is because my windows are aluminum, so there's a lot of crevices that you need to get into. But if your windows aren't aluminum and they're vinyl and you don't have crevices to get into, then I would recommend using this, the Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel Oil-Based, also flat. And just take a simple craft brush, and I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, dip your paint in, and start painting. You can do this on shower doors or you can do it on windows. So it's actually kind of a great product. Okay, but let's get back to what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use the spray paint method, and in this case you are gonna want some facial protection because it is a little bit stinky. Another tool I like to have is this trim shield because it will help me prevent getting paint on areas that I don't want paint. However, I'm going to be honest, paint gets all over the place in this method, so we'll talk about fixing it after we're done. So you're just going to take your spray bottle and tip and protect as much as you can and start spraying. You're going to go ahead and go around the perimeter of the window this way. Spraying that window literally took me 5 minutes to do. And as you can see, I made quite the mess. So the next thing I'm going to do is let that dry, and then I will go in with the wall paint and the trim paint and touch up any areas that got excess spray paint on them. Then we can talk about cleaning up the window. Okay, so I'm in front of another window that was previously painted, and as you can see, it has the same problem. There is overspray on the glass. So all we're gonna do is take a little blade and some Windex and start spraying and scraping. Then you just take a paper towel and wipe off the excess. As you can see, the paint came right off. So for me, I like the method of spraying. However, you can use painting. If for some reason during the Windex process some paint scrapes off by accident, you can go back with the matte black brush paint and just brush on and touch it up. I always like to keep the matte black brush paint on hand in case I need any touch-ups. It's very easy to go over and just touch up any nicks that you may get in the future. But so far I have found this method ultra durable, and most of my windows have been painted this way. I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, follow, and I'll be posting more DIY videos soon.